Hi everyone, welcome back. In this codeigniter video tutorial, we are going to learn how we can create an API in the codeigniter. So let's get started. So what we are going to do in this video, we will make a very simple example of a REST API and hit with the postman, and we will connect our API through the database also. That means we will fetch the data from our database. So one more thing guys, I'm not going to use the security token in this tutorial because this is a very quick tutorial. So this is tutorial about the how you have to understand the things how REST API is work with the codeigniter. So it's a very simple tutorial, and in the next video tutorial I will make a REST API with the JWT token, so we can learn how security token is work with the API in the codeigniter also. So let's get started. So just I download the codeigniter project here, and we have to make some configuration for the database and nothing else. So let's first of all I'm going to open the config file, and here I'm going to start with the database file. So first of all just start with the setting up the database. So my username is root and my password is admin. This is my localhost password, and database name, let's find the database name, php my admin. So my database name is tiff. Alright, so my database environment is set up now. I have to go with the autoload.php, and I have searched for the database, and in the library just pass the database so that this library will go autoload automatically. So that's it. So now we have to fetch the data from the users table. Here we have some 6 user, so let's start. I just make a controller here with the name of api.php with the parallel of the welcome.php. Just I create now. So here you can see that REST API tutorial, and the output is here. So now just start coding here. So database is already loaded, so I'm just going to start the query, this .db.query, and my query is select star from table name, which is users. Alright, and take this in a variable like query, and just print underscore r, right here dollar query, and fetch the result here. That's it. And for now just check that it's working or not. Oops, undefined function query. So I have to check this one. Oops, I just forgot to put the arrow function. So now you can see that this result in the array format. So I have to convert this result in JSON format first of all. So just write json underscore encode. That's it. And now we got the data in the JSON format. Now just copy this path here and go to the don't save it, go to your postman and just try to hit this, and you will see that you get the data of JSON. That's it. This is a very simple API tutorial for the codeigniter, and in the next video tutorial we will learn how we can use the security token and how we can create the login API. So that don't forget to subscribe our channel and just watch the next video, and possibly when I just create the next video, maybe today night or in the tomorrow, the link will be going to post in the description box also. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any kind of suggestion, just put me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please like this video also. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.